Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to contact support in Tango. Alright, so if you want to make complaint or you want to get information about any of Tango feature, this video is for you, right? So you can easily contact Tango and make a complaint or get any information that you want. All right, so let's see how to do it. So the first step to take is, of course, open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. All right, so after that, here you're going to get all these options around here. All right, so you have to scroll down to the settings section. Right, this section right here. So what you have to do is to click on general. All right, once you click on that, you are going to see all these options, and just look at the bottom of your screen. You find the settings, you find the support option right there. All right, the support option is right here. So what you have to do is to just click on support. All right, so once you click on that, here you can see you can send message, you can get helpful information. All right, so what you just have to do is to click on send us a message. Then you have to select the category of the message that you want to send. For example, I'm going to say login problem. All right. And now what will happen is that we get the chance to enter my problem. All right, so I'll just go ahead and type whatever problem I have inside here. I can just say can't log in, and then I just have to click on this right here. All right, so I just have to click on that, and it will be sent. All right, so as you can see here it says thank you, we will review information from our side and get back to you. So here it says you have to select one of these right here. The first one says Tango guideline for live broadcasting, Tango guideline for user contact profile, etc. All right, so okay, that one is not necessary. They just say thank you, we will review information from our side and get back to you. All right, so they're going to get back to you, so you can always come here to check if they have given you feedback. All right, so you can see at the bottom of your screen it says conversation has ended. All right, so you can't send any further message right here, so you have to wait for them. So you just have to come here and check if they have given you feedback. Right, so that's how you can actually contact supports in Tango. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.